Define CSS class in Django forms. Assume I have a form. Is there a way for me to define CSS classes on each field such that I can then use jQuery based on class in my rendered page? I was hoping not to have to manually build the form.
Answered my own question. Sigh. This URL. I didn't realize it was passed into the widget constructor.
Yet another solution that doesn't require changes in Python code and so is better for designers and one-off presentational changes, Django widget tweaks. Hope somebody will find it useful. Here is another solution for adding class definitions to the widgets after declaring the fields in the class.
Use Django widget tweaks. It is easy to use and works pretty well. Otherwise, this can be done using a custom template filter. Considering you render your form this way. Form.subject is an instance of bound field which has the as_widget method. You can create a custom filter x in my_app/template/myfilters.py. And then apply your filter. Form.subjects will then be rendered with the myClass CSS class. Hope this helped. Edit 1. Update filter according to Dimig's answer. Add Django widget tweak link. Edit 2. Update filter according to Bede's comment.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.